Hey friends, ever struggled with leaky pipes or spent hours trying to solder a fitting? Well, today we're making plumbing simple. I'm showing you 5 of the best copper pipe crimping tools that can save you time, effort, and a whole lot of stress. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a pro on the job, I've got an option you're going to love. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool is perfect for your next project. And you might even save some money too. Product number 1. VEVOR Copper Pipe Crimping Tool. The VEVOR Copper Pipe Crimping Tool is a reliable choice for anyone who wants a single tool for many jobs. It comes with jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch copper pipes, plus 5 extra jaws for PX rings. That means you can use it for both copper and PX projects without switching tools. The head rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can work in tight corners without fighting for space. The jaws are made of strong aluminum alloy, so they hold pressure well and last a long time. The hydraulic design makes each crimp smooth and easy, even with one hand. Pros: very versatile, one tool works with many pipe sizes and materials. The hydraulic action makes crimping fast and simple. Cons: it can feel a little heavy after long use. Comment: this tool is a solid choice for homeowners and pros who want one kit that does it all. Product number 2. iCrimp Copper Pipe Pressing Tool Kit. The iCrimp IWS 1632AF is a full copper pipe crimping kit that comes with everything you need. In the box, you get the main crimping tool with jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch pipes, plus a pipe cutter and a deburring tool. That means you can cut, clean, and crimp your pipe without buying anything extra. The head rotates 360 degrees so you can line it up at any angle, and the handles extend for extra leverage, making the job easier on your arms. The grips are rubberized and slip-proof, which helps you keep control even if your hands get wet. Pros: complete kit with cutter and deburring tool included. Extendable handles save energy and give you more power. Cons: the handles can be a little bulky in small spaces. Comment: this is a great choice if you want a full starter kit for copper pipe work and want to get professional results with minimal effort. Product number 3. Ibosad Hydraulic Pipe Crimping Tool with 30 degrees angle jaw. The Ibosad HT1950-1 is a handy tool for working in tight spaces. It has a special 30 degrees angled jaw, which makes it easier to reach pipes close to walls or in corners. The head can rotate up to 350 degrees, giving you freedom to work from many angles without twisting yourself into odd positions. It is built with an aluminum alloy body, which keeps it light to hold, but still strong enough for repeated use. It comes with jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch copper pipes, so it covers the most common sizes for home and shop projects. Pros: the angled head makes it perfect for cramped spaces where straight tools don't fit. Lightweight design means less strain during long jobs. Cons: it only works with copper, not PX, so it's not as versatile as other kits. Comment: this tool is perfect if you often work in tight corners and need something light and easy to handle. Product number 4. Zupper Electric Pro Press Tool. The Zupper MP 2430 is a powerful electric crimping tool designed for fast, heavy-duty work. It uses an 18V brushless motor that makes each crimp smooth, strong, and very quick, usually in about 2 to 4 seconds. The tool head rotates 180 degrees so you can work at many angles, and it comes with 3 jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch pipes. The kit includes 2 rechargeable 2.0Ah batteries, giving you more than 300 crimps on a full charge, and a charger to keep you going all day. An OLED screen shows battery level and status, so you always know when it's ready. Pros: super fast crimping and very little effort needed. Long battery life keeps you working without breaks. Cons: the price is higher than manual tools, so it's best for pros. Comment: this is an excellent choice for contractors or anyone doing lots of crimping every day. Product number 5. DJYYW Copper Pipe Crimping Tool. The DJYYW Copper Pipe Crimping Tool is a simple and budget-friendly solution for most copper pipe jobs. It comes with jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch pipes, which covers the most common home sizes. The head rotates a full 360 degrees, which helps you reach pipes in hard-to-access areas. The body is made of a mix of steel and aluminum alloy, so it's tough but not too heavy. The tool uses a basic hydraulic design that makes crimping smooth and consistent with very little effort. Some versions of the kit include a cutter and deburring tool, giving you everything you need in one package. Pros: affordable but still well built. Easy to use for beginners and casual users. Cons: not as refined or smooth as more expensive options. Comment: this is a great choice if you just need a reliable tool for small projects or occasional repairs at home. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.